Oh hey, didn't see you there. Alright, well today we're going to be learning how to draw Cosmo from Fairly Odd Parents. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Now we're going to need some colors today. We're going to need a yellow, 2 shades of pink, and 1 green. Well, I think we'll do really great. Let's go try to draw Cosmo. Let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Cosmo, we're going to begin by making one line. In the middle of that line, we're going to make one C-like shape for the ear. After we complete the line that we just made, we're going to begin to make Cosmo's hair. Later on in the video, you'll notice that we're going to color in Cosmo's hair green. Fantastic! Now we're going to make a backward C-like shape that will connect to the first line that we made. Great start. Now we're going to begin to add detail to the face. Now right above Cosmo's head, we're going to go ahead and we're going to give him his cool little fairy crown. Now directly below the body, we're going to begin to make Cosmo's arm and hand. The next step will be to make Cosmo's suit and tie, and then after that, we will make his pants and legs. We can't forget to add his cool fairy wings, and we definitely cannot forget to add his cool magic wand. This is how to draw Cosmo from the Fairly Odd Parents. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your Cosmo with us.